No pressure, but my entire happiness depends on this. Let's practice last week's lesson. Okay, best friend. Ready? Ready, Katie? Good. For the 13th and hopefully last time, taihoa. Tahi, rua, toru. Haere mai? We did it! I can't believe this is happening. I have a strange feeling in my tummy.
Oh, so sorry about that. Last night's Uncle Mark's sushi pizza surprise might have been ahead of its time. Oh, no.
No, it's a good feeling. I think it might be confidence.
Oh, great. Oh, thank goodness. So, ready for your next puppy class?
Actually, yeah, I think we are.
All right, whānau, listen up. Jeff, put your hand down, please. We'll save questions till the end.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sweet as.
Okay, today's tono is etu, stand. Now, we've already learned noho, sit.
Excuse me, Whaea Kaz? We haven't learnt sit yet.
Hey? Oh, you must have missed that lesson there, Ko. You'll catch up, no worries.
Some worries.
All right, me pēnei, like this. Etu. Okay, once more for Katie and Rascal. Kōrero mai. Etu.
Rascal, etu.
That's different. But yeah, kapai. Now, remember, the command for sit is
That won't work.
noho.
Noho, Rascal.
Ui, staratu e noho. Who's a good boy?
Kapai, Katie.
I actually can't believe it. Ka pai, Rascal.
Gee, looks like your Kurī's getting the hang of it. Katie. Just Katie down there. Katie.
Huh? Oh, Rascal! Ooh.
You know what? Don't worry about it. Every Kurī poops.
That doesn't make it any less embarrassing.
Shall I get you an eco-friendly doggy doo-doo bag?
Thanks, Whaea Kaz.
No worries, girl.
Luckily, I didn't let one little thing throw off my whole day. I certainly didn't start comparing myself with the other students. There's this one dog, Zara, who doesn't follow any commands. Must be so frustrating being her owner. But yeah, puppy school is going great. Rascal! I knew I shouldn't have let you eat Uncle Mark's stinky sushi pizza surprise. What the? Rascal! Where was I? Oh yeah, puppy school is going great. Just like normal school, I am killing it. Does anyone want to be in the new kids group for art class? No takers? That's cool. Does anyone want to practice with me? Oh, you all have partners. All good. That's cool. Does anyone want to be in my band? No one? That's okay. I always wanted to go solo anyway. So yeah, enough about all my new school friends and more about my very obedient puppy. Sorry I couldn't get Rascal to noho.
It's okay. Let's try something a bit different. You know, I used to teach rap down at the local performing arts school.
You want me to rap?
Oh, no. I mean, unless you want to, I love rap. I'll do it later. Anyway, the point is, Katie, I learned some people find things easier without an audience. All right, whānau huri atu. Turn away and cover your taringa. We're going to give Katie and Rascal some space up in this place. That would be ace of base.
Okay.
All good.
Yeah, no
You
worries.
got this, Katie.
Remember, just connect with your Kurī and do your best.
Ready, Rascal?
Sorry, am I too early for pickup?
Katie's still practicing.
Oh, kia kaha, kid. That means have courage and stuff, I think. Right?
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, Katie inspired me to start learning te reo Māori too.
I did.
Uh-huh, yeah. I'm listening to Mātua Scotty's Beginner Reo for Cool Uncles podcast. It's been a revelation.
Wow.
Wow, indeed. Now, cover your taringa, please, Mātua Mark, if you're going to be in here.
Starting is ears. Got it. From the context clues.
Huri atu, please.
Are you talking to me? Oh, turn away. Got it from your firm tone and aggressive hand gestures. Pointing me. I should turn around. I believe in you, Katie.
Thanks, Uncle Mark. Let's go, rascal. E noho. Ka pai. Etu.
Did she do it? I bet she did it.
Ka pai, rascal.
Nice one, Katie.
I guess as long as no one's watching us, we can do it.
Well, that was a one-off. So when you do your big test at the end of term, I can't have everyone turn around.
Wait, everyone?
Yeah, heaps of friends and whānau come along to watch and support. Plus, I host a community quiz night straight after, and all the questions are about Kurī. Don't worry, it's a couple of weeks away.
Oh, okay. Cool. I won't worry till then.